Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina Nwachukwu. If today is your first time visiting my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always visiting. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple look for beginners. Okay, I started by applying serum. So after applying the face serum, I applied primer. Then after the primer, I allowed the face to dry before applying my foundation. Okay, now I am dapping the foundation because I really want the whole face to blend. In order to make the face blend, so I'm using the beauty blender, to blend the face. I dab, I did not drag. Remember, I am dapping it into the skin so that it will blend, because if I drag it, it will not look neat and it will not be smooth. So that's why I have to dap it into the skin, just like I am doing it now. So guys, this is Sacha Buttercup. I'm using it to highlight my cheek, the forehead and my jaw, because it's supposed to look pronounced, to highlight it. While highlighting the cheek, I used a different beauty blender because the previous one I used for my foundation, it was a little bit moist, like I added water. So that's the reason why I'm using a dry beauty blender to blend, because that other one I can't be able to use it. So guys, this is KR eyeliner gel, which I am using for my eyebrow. First of all, I drew the down part before drawing the upper side. I also use the gel to fill it. I'm using a one-step lighter foundation for my concealer, because I also wanted to use the same foundation for my eyeshadow. So that's the reason why I am blending it down. So guys, this is Morphe eyeshadow palette, which I am using the darker shade, which is the Us Blood, to cut the crease, to blend the crease before applying my primer at the lids, the eyelids. As you can see, I am drawing it neatly so that it will not scatter, and also trying to make it neat before applying the eyeshadow of my choice. So while applying the eyeshadow, I am dapping it. I am not dragging it, I am dapping it, because when you drag it, it will affect the primer which you have already added at the lids. I'm still using the KR to do the eyeliner. So guys, this is the face definer which I used for my contour. I used it for contour before applying my powder. Now using the powder to set the whole face, my loose powder to set the whole face. After applying the loose powder on my face, now apply the blush. As you can see how I'm blushing. Now apply blush. Then after the blush, now we use face rainbow highlights to highlight the face, the bronzer, to highlight the cheek, the forehead and the jaw. I also use it to highlight my nose. Move over to the lips, so I used the darker shade to line the lip liner, just to line my lip before applying my main lipstick. So I wanted to go with darker shade, so that's why I used Us Blood to make the makeup pronounced. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If there's anything you want to comment, please comment, leave your comment. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.